Hello, thanks for joining me. I am so excited to give you a tour of our Canvas classroom this year. All right, so I'm in my dashboard. This is the picture that I'm going to look for first grade class. All right, here is our home page. Yours might look a little different since mine is the teacher version. I'm going to scroll down. You can see I've got contact information. I'll have office hours Thursdays from 2:15 to 2:45, which means that I will have my Zoom open and you can log in to ask me any questions and check in with me. So that's where you'll use that button. And then there's also a Class Dojo button as well, so you can go straight into Class Dojo for submitting assignments and checking announcements. And then I have a parent portal as well. So in the parent portal, it gives you the requirements for remote learning, the grading rubric, and then I have included some tutorial videos on some of these. Some I did make last year when we were doing remote learning, so some of the login information might be just slightly changed, but hopefully you can still access everything, and if you have questions, please reach out. Okay, let's go back into our home. Okay, so here are our 3 introduction videos about Miss Larson, our class video, which is what you're watching now, and then behaviors and expectations for remote learning. Then we're going to scroll down all the way to the bottom, and here is where you have your weekly lessons. So you'll click on the day it is, and then it will show all the lessons. And then if you've missed any work or you want to go review some, then you can go into past lessons here. So I'll just show you what that's going to look like. And we'll go into Mondays. All right, so then this is what you're going to be completing for Monday. So for reading, you'll watch this little video, complete a page in your packet. It looks like you're going to talk about some procedures and come up with some rules. And then for writing, you'll write those rules. Math, you'll read the directions. Social studies, science, art, and health. These are some social emotional activities, really fun to do. And then if you have completed all that and you'd like a little bit more extra practice, I've included these 4 activities. Lexia is going to be helping with phonics and reading. Same with Head Sprout. Both of these, they take a placement test and then it will be tailored to exactly where your student is at. Get Epic has tons of amazing books and videos of all sorts of things. And then Prodigy is going to be a math game, which is super interactive for those students. All right, and then whenever you're done, you can go back to the home page if you need to check on any other days or any other assignments. And that is all that I have for you. I'm so looking forward to working with you this year. Thank you for joining me.